It really taught me to just believe in myself. Like when I first started off, I was nervous about the Excel part because I'm like, oh my God, I am not experienced in Excel at all. I don't like Excel. I've only worked with Excel like maybe 5 times, and even then it was a headache. So it really helped me to just be more open, like open to challenges, open to things I don't know. Um it taught me a lot about empathy, a lot about empathy, and just the importance of knowing who you're working with, knowing how to work, knowing how to manage things at work, and yeah, a lot. It taught me a lot.